Okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to save on Etsy fees with this one simple trick from Etsy. And I'm going to show you how to utilize it a little bit better in terms of generating more sales. So I'm going to go on the computer and you can follow along with me. But basically, we're going to go to our dashboard on our Etsy account. And then you're going to click on View Detailed Stats. And then from there, you want to scroll down, 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 down. And you want to look at this traffic from your share and save links. So these are links that you can create through your dashboard and send them to potential customers. And if they use that link, you get a discount, a 4% discount. So this is just showing me how many clicks I've gotten from these links, which I will show you how to create the links in a second. I'm just showing you the basics of it right now. So right now we're just seeing the last 30 days. Let me toggle this back to this year. And then as you can see, I did get an order, and my revenue was 12.50, and I ended up saving 50 cents just because I used the link, the share and save link. So if you can see, even though I only got one order, I got almost 100 clicks from these shareable links. And the way I try to do it is I focus more on my repeat customers. So products such as like my thank you cards or even packaging stickers. And what I do is I create a card that has a QR code that has the link to that specific product that they purchased before that they might want to repurchase later on. So this makes it quicker for the customer to find that product again and also saves you about 4% off the total that they purchase. So win-win. But let me see if I can find it. So as I've said, I do this for my thank you cards. So the card that I have right now is just for thank you cards. I do want to start making them for my packaging stickers too, but for now, my example is going to be for my thank you cards. Okay, so this is what the card looks like. I have two QR codes because one is for the product, and then the other, I believe, is to send you back to my shop for a review. So as you can see, I have it where it says, don't forget to leave a review, and it has it pointed to that particular QR code. And then I have the reorder here, which is the link for that particular product. So all they have to do is scan the link with their phone, and it takes them directly to that product if they want to repurchase. So I'm going to show you how you can create the shareable links and how to create a free QR code on the computer. So how you create these links is pretty simple. You're just going to go to your listings and then whichever listing you want. So since I was saying these are for my thank you cards, I'm just going to go with that example. And basically what you are going to do is click on this and click copy share link. And that's basically it. And you would just send this to whoever you were interested in sending that link to. Or as I said, create a QR code, which I'm going to show you right now how I do it. And basically what you are going to go or where you're going to do this at. I don't know why I'm getting so tongue tied today. Once you have the shareable link, which I showed you how to make, copy share link, you're going to go to Bitly, Bitly. I think it's Bitly. I'm really bad at pronouncing stuff, but you're gonna go to Bitly, okay? And then, if you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. I already have one. Or you can even just like use Google, but we're just gonna do this real quickly. Continue. So you would just sign up for an account basically. I'm just signing into mine that I already have. Okay, so from here you're gonna go, or you're gonna have your dashboard, right? So you can make short links. So let's say your link is really long. Bitly was particular for making the link shorter, but now they have the option to make a QR code. So from here, you can click, either you can click right here or you can go on the left and click QR codes. And the cool thing is that once you already create a QR code, it'll save it for you. So that's why you see the ones that I already have saved on here. And it also show you the link that you used. So we're just gonna click on create code, and then you would literally just Command V to paste it. For Apple computers, you have to do the Command V, but you would literally just paste it. And then I don't really do a title, but if you want to title it, you can do that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So you go design your code. And then here is where you can customize it a little bit. Since it is free, you don't get that many options, but you can change the color, slightly, the design. So if you want to have it a little bit different than the usual QR code design, I think I just leave it as is, but you have other options. And then here you can choose between regular corners, yeah, regular or rounded. I think no, I actually have regular. I have regular corners, but you can change it to rounded, and then you can just change the color of it. Um, yeah. Okay, so for the free option, you have very limited options because it is free, but I still think it's pretty cool that you can change the color. I personally just leave it as black, but you have those options. And then, yeah, so these are just things if you wanted to pay. These are just a little extra, if you wanted to pay for that upgrade. Basically, the last things are if you want to put a frame, which I believe I do have a frame on it, or scan me, and then you can put whatever phrase you want. So you can keep it as scan me. Oh, wow, that was really bad. Scan me or whatever you want to put on it, and then you just click create your code. So I'm not going to create this because I don't want to use up the amount of codes or the amount that I get every month. I don't remember exactly how many you can make. Um, Let me go back. Let me cancel. Yeah, I'm not really sure how many you can create, but I know there's a limit every month. Um, so just to keep in mind that you can't create a bunch of them all at once. But the cool thing is that it saves them for you. So even if you hit the limit for that month, you can still have them here and then just wait until the next month until you are able to make more. So that is basically how you save on Etsy fees with this one simple hack. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions down below, and I'll see you guys later.